Now concentrate over here. We are looking towards a subroutine linkage, one of the type of a loader. Here BAL stands for branch and link. The value of next instruction in program A is stored in register 14. The B is a reference to subroutine B. However, assembler does not know the value of this symbol reference and will declare error. This above problem is overcome by mechanism. It's called subroutine linkage. In this mechanism, the assembler sudo extern is followed by list of symbols. These are basically the symbols which are defined externally but referenced in the present program. Similarly, if a symbol is defined in one program and is referenced in others, then this type of symbol is preceded by pseudo opcode entry in the symbol table. See over here. Here is the program given on a previous line. For example, here main, start, extern, subroutine, then some lines are there, then L15 is equal to A subroutine function, the value of A subroutine function, then BA LR 14, 15 end. Here subroutine you can see easily that subroutine program is defined outside of this main program. This subroutine is defined outside of this main program. Let's see example.
Sir.
Hello?
Sir,
Huh?
please share the screen.
One minute. What?
Screen is not visible, sir.
Okay. No problem. See. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Concentrate over here on the program for subroutine linkage. As we know that in macro there is a macro defined. Here also subroutine is defined, and that subroutine is defined in main program is actually working in this way, right? In this way, means it is it is mentioned over here but totally defined outside of this main program, right? In a program main, firstly we have declared that subroutine. Name we have given by default subroutine is ubrtn. Is an external variable. That means this variable is referenced but not defined in this program. This variable is referenced but not defined in this program. Then L stands for load instruction. The load instructions loads the address of external subroutine in register 15. कुठे करतोय तो लोड ही यल इन्स्ट्रक्शन या सबरूटीनचा, बरोबर आहे की नाही? कुठे करतोय? ॲड्रेस लोड्स द ॲड्रेस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल सबरूटीन, इन रजिस्टर 15. याच्यामध्ये काय करतोय तो लोड करतोय. काय लोड करतोय? ॲड्रेस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल सबरूटीन. दिस इज एक्सटर्नल सबरूटीन, राइट? विच इज मेन्शन्ड इन main program, external extrn external subroutine, right? Then the BALR instruction branches to the contents of register 15. The register 15 actually contains the address of subroutine B, Actually, register B contains the address of subroutine B, this one, alright. BALR instruction branches to content of register 15, and this 15 is nothing but address of the subroutine. Okay. BAL means what? BAL means what? BAL means branch and link, and BALR means branch and link register. Branch and link register. Which register we have to? This register, right? The address of next instruction means what? The next instruction after BALR statement in the program. Next instruction after BALR is stored in register 14. म्हणजे याच्यानंतर येणारी जी लगतची जी आहे instruction तीचा ॲड्रेस कुठे स्टोअर केला आहे? इथे. Note that as per IBM 360 machine instruction code, the register 15 is always used to linkage and base register. Hence, beginning address of subroutine B is stored in beginning address of subroutine. Here, beginning address of subroutine is stored in register 15. Is stored in register 15. Is stored in register 15. Similarly, register 14 contains the return address of the caller. Similarly, register 14 contains the return address of the caller. In the subroutine means this. In the subroutine, at the end of the code, here we use BR14, which helps to transfer the control back to the caller program, which helps to transfer the control to caller program. Which is caller program? This is called program, and caller program, this one is caller program main. Thus, BR is an unconditional branching instruction. Thus, BR is unconditional branching instruction, right? This is the explanation of these two codes. Okay, and this is all about subroutine linkage. The way in which machine makes it possible to call and return from subroutines is referred to its subroutine linkage method. Subroutineचा linkage केला इथे. सबरूटीनचा लिंकेज केला आहे इथे, राईट. ओके, म्हणजे काय? हा एक प्रोग्राम, हा प्रोग्राम पूर्ण कुठे स्टोअर केला आहे? ह्या रजिस्टरमध्ये. मग नेक्स्ट जी इन्स्ट्रक्शन येईल याच्यानंतरची तिच्यासाठी जे इथे मी कोड केला आहे तो कोड मी ते कॉलर फंक्शनमध्ये कॉल केला आहे, आणि मग या ज्या रजिस्टरला जी इन्स्ट्रक्शन स्टोअर होईल, जो ॲड्रेस स्टोअर होईल ज्या इन्स्ट्रक्शनचा, ती इन्स्ट्रक्शन याच्यानंतर येणारी लगेचची इथली इन्स्ट्रक्शन असेल. हे लिंक केले आहे, बरोबर. दिस इज द लिंकेज between program and subroutine. Okay, this is all about subroutine linkage. There are very good videos. Okay, this is one video through which I have tried to explain you, but there are again more very good videos and explanation on internet page available. Please do study over that. Thank you.